Authors do not always use words such as first, second, and third to show the order in which things happen. Sometimes readers have to pay attention to how the author presents information. All right, boys and girls, let's look at what the author is describing on page 18. The author mentions drilling a hole in the ice and then says that they cooked the fish at night. This tells me that drilling a hole comes before cooking the fish. I can see that if a cake had listed each step, the order might be: first, we went onto the ice. Second, we drilled a hole in the ice. Third, we fished through the hole. Fourth, my grandfather caught a big fish. And fifth, we cooked the fish over a fire. Sometimes it makes it more interesting when your author does not use so many transitions like I just explained.